This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on the Roblox website. First, you will need to create a free account. Head over to the official Roblox website and look for the Sign Up option. You'll need to pick a unique username and create a strong password. Remember to enter your correct birth date to ensure you experience content suitable for your age. This simple step takes only a minute or two. Once your account is set up, it's time to explore the millions of games available. The Roblox homepage features a wide variety of experiences, from adventure to role-playing. You can use the search bar to find a specific game you have in mind, or browse through different categories to discover something new. Clicking on any game's icon will take you to its dedicated page, showing more details. Before you can jump into a game, you'll need to install the Roblox player. Don't worry, this is a quick and easy process. When you click to play your first game, the Roblox player will automatically begin downloading. Just follow the straightforward on-screen instructions to complete the installation. This only needs to be done once, and it's crucial for launching and enjoying all the games. With the Roblox player installed, you are ready to play. Navigate back to your chosen game's detail page and click the large green play button. The Roblox player application will then launch automatically, connecting you directly to the game server. You can now immerse yourself in the experience, interact with other players, and enjoy the endless creativity offered by millions of user-created games.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.